Good morning, Texans. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Today is a B day, so you will see periods 2, 4, 6, and 8 today, starting at 10 o'clock. Juniors, you should have received an email recently that talks about test selection. You have a variety of tests available to you. In fact, I have a list of them over here. You have the TSIA2, the PSAT NMSQT. Let's see how many initials we can put on that. And we call it the ASVAB or ASVAB. It's military test. So one of those three tests, you need to make your selection because we need to have a solid count of how many tests to administer and to whom. All juniors will take a test. You need to tell us which one. And so you need to make that preference selection by Friday, September 4th. Look for the email from us that tells you the details of that. If you did not get that email, reach out to Assistant Principal Mr. Ryan Barnhart, and he will help you with that selection process. Also, your counselors are happy to assist you with that. New student tours are taking place September 8th. That's this coming Tuesday, so a week from yesterday. So students, what that will look like. This is for new students and for freshmen at Northwest High School. And what we're trying to do is just give you an opportunity to walk through the building. It's not going to be detailed. We're not going to have you all in one place at any particular time. In fact, what Mr. Barnhart has set up for you to do, he's one of our freshman principals, is he has set up a sign-up genius. Actually, it's not even a sign-up genius. He's doing it through a Google form. And so you'll sign up through the Google form, and that will create for him a list of students who want to go at particular time slots. He's limiting those time slots to 25 students, and those 25 students will be guided by another student who will lead the tour. It'll be students only, no parents, no siblings. We're limiting the number of people who come through our building, but since our freshmen and our new students will be with us the following week, it's okay to bring them in the building for the tours. We've gotten the clearance to do that. So students will need to wear their masks. Students will need to socially distance. But we're going to keep you in small groups of 25 or fewer and give you a quick tour of Northwest High School. I believe the way that's going to work is, and he's sent you more details, but I believe you'll start on the east side, you'll loop through, and you'll end on the east side of the building to the entrance over by 156. But lots of good information coming for our incoming freshmen and new students, but please mark your calendars for the evening or late afternoon and evening of September 8th. Get in that email, pick out your time slot, and then come join us for a very quick tour of Northwest High School before you actually make your debut at Northwest High School on Monday, September 14th. We're excited about that. And Texans, those are all of the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again soon. That time is drawing near. It's really exciting. So for those of you who will be here in person, we're excited to have you here. For those of you who are still working remotely, that's okay too. We're happy to see you remotely, but we look forward to seeing you soon, and I hope you make it a great Wednesday.